This video is about disassembling your bassoon, and you're going to do the exact opposite of putting it together. So the last thing that we did was to put on the seat strap and have a seat. So now we're going to take it off. Okay, most people will roll it up and put it back in their case. Then very carefully, we're going to hold this top part of the bocal, twist and pull at the same time, and it should come out relatively easy. That goes back in the case. The bell is next. I'm going to push that button down like we did when we assembled. Twist and pull, being very careful that I don't bend anything. I'm going to put the bell back where it belongs in the case. Now the next part may take a little bit of effort and practice, but the long joint and the tenor joint, you can either take them apart separately, or if your bassoon is pretty well lubricated, they may come out at the same time. If you're going to do them separately, I suggest you take out the long joint first. Again, twist and pull. I'm just going to pull it up just a little bit so I can keep them lined up. And then I'm going to twist and pull for the tenor joint. Loosen that up just a little bit. This helps me to keep them together so that when I put them back in the case, they're already together. Together like that. Being very careful not to put too much pressure on the rods. Goes back in the case. That leaves me with the boot. The boot goes back into the case, and then we're done.